Arao. Aw, I just got up. You excited to see me up? Arao. Arao. Hi, buddy. Ah, you want a petting? You want some petting? Look at him, he's so excited. Ah, Arao. Arao, baby, who's my good baby? Who's the youngest kitty? Youngest kitty of the family. Arao. Arao. Getting some light here. Arrow, 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 arrow. Was a good boy. Oh, okay. There you go.